Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now today I've got a nice little unboxing of my new British Railways towed brake van. I've got a bit of an obsession with vans, ventilate vans and brake vans, so it's R6766, as you can see, the BR towed brake van. So I picked this up last week with Hattons, well, from Hattons I should say, I think I've got a good shed, I've got a bridge, a couple of open wagons, one of which I've already done on the channel. So I was basically shooting the review, and at this point you can see it's all going really well, and you can see the nice new packaging that a lot of the logos come in. What you didn't see was me trying to open the box and turning into a 5-year-old and dropping the box quite spectacularly, which I will put at the end of the video after the end screen just for you to have a look at. So as you can see here, it's a nice van, metal wheels, but then what doesn't come with metal wheels these days? It's got a nice bit of detail. You can see the rivets and you've got the signs and everything's nice and clear. And I think if you are into your painting and you're quite good with a brush, which I am not, then I think you could make this example anything you want it to be. You can see just inside there you've got the handle lever to apply the brakes as well. And I think that's, you know, a lovely little touch on this for what is essentially a £9 brake van. That's what I paid for it. And it was a real steal. At the end of the day I was ordering some other stuff, so you know, the £4 postage is split. The Hattons, again, I've ordered from them. They're a fantastic company. I've never had any problems, so nothing but faith. And I think the whole order for the goods shed, the bridge and a couple of wagons or whatever came to sort of £30 odd, so it was well worth it. You're gonna have to deal with it being pulled by Ben. Ben was on the actual layout for testing, because I relayed the track and changed the design, and I've added a bridge and where a river's going to be, but I'll probably do an update on the layout at some point this week, just to give you an idea what's going on there. But I thought, hey, let's just have a nice little unboxing, show you this brake van. Not the most exciting video you're going to see on my channel, and it's probably not the most comedic you're going to find, but if you're like me and you do have a bit of a partial take into these brake vans and vans, then you'll probably enjoy this video. And there, as we speak, there's my bridge. You can see me starting to build the layers there. And before anybody tells me, I know I didn't put the windows in the goods shed, I completely forgot, but you can see them on the floor there. I'll get them in the week. I've got to pick this all back up anyway, because I'm going to start working on this side, on the cobblestones and all that type of stuff. So that's going to be this side, and I've got some foam carving to do as well. I need to put the stickers back. They seem to be peeling away, which is a bit of a pain, but I'm not sure whether that's just the hot weather at the moment or not. So yeah, all in all, a lovely little brake van, a cracking addition to anyone's layout. I'm going to be getting a new logo for this. This is the train I'm going to run, so it's going to be my new 3-plank wagon, my weathered brake van, my weathered ventilated van, and my brake van. So now here's the clip. So I started off, I was holding it up, everything was going great, and then for some unknown reason I turned into a small child who couldn't open the box, and I don't think I could reenact what happened next if I wanted to. So I'm trying to open it, I'm struggling, and then I don't know, I just started to juggle the box and threw it on the floor. God knows what happened. Maybe it's just me getting on a bit. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you could give me a like, a subscribe, and give me a bit of support, that would be fantastic. The channel is going crazy, considering, you know, I only started it 5 months ago and I didn't really know what I was doing, but you know, I'm having a really good time doing it, and thanks to everybody who's liking the videos, and especially the more light-hearted Thomas the Tank Engine and comedy ones, because quite a bit of effort goes into them, so I do appreciate it.